Hi, this is Chris and Sam, and we're going to show you how to assemble the face shields that we printed.
So we started with a slimmer model of the face shields, which lets us churn out more shields in less time. This model has 3 notches for the acetate sheet to hook onto. I'm going to show you how to punch holes in the acetate. You can use a standard 3-hole punch, but I couldn't find mine. I'll probably use my Cricut for this, but I made a template and marked up the locations on the tissue side that comes between the sheets of acetate. Once you punch the holes, the assembly is pretty easy. So 1, 2, and 3, those are my 3 holes. I'm just gonna punch each one. This might take more time doing a single hole punch, so definitely using a 3-hole punch is going to make the whole process simpler. So once you punch the holes, the assembly is pretty easy. You're just going to start from the center and then hook the sides on after. We're going to end up keeping the paper on when we distribute to keep the sheets from damaging, also just to keep the shields clean. And so once he's got that one on, it's a little tricky at first, but if you start from the center, it's much easier. Pro tip, we're probably going to lower where the holes are. It makes it easier for the holes to latch onto the shield. So I took it off just to show for purpose of what it's going to look like when it's taken off. And then we're just going to round out the corners so that way it doesn't poke anyone's shoulders when they're using them. So that's it. Excuse me, my nails are terrible. It's quarantine nails, and I haven't gotten a chance to do them. And this shield fits pretty well as is, but you can put a scrunchie in the back just to get a snugger fit. It doesn't really slide off the face when we didn't have the scrunchie on. And then here's Chris.